Hello guys, welcome to our channel Be Confident. Today I am going to give you some knowledge about diabetes. In these days, most of the people are suffering with diabetes after the age of 30. It can be controlled and managed by following some instructions, and those instructions I will tell you in this video. Otherwise, it will become dangerous if you do not take care of it at a proper time. So in this video I am going to tell you about what is exactly diabetes is. Follow this video till the end so that you can come to know about how to control and manage the diabetes, and also which diabetes requires insulin and some must follow tips. These things I will discuss in this video. Introduction to diabetes, various types of diabetes, reasons for diabetes and blood sugar levels, symptoms and must follow tips. Firstly, what is diabetes? Diabetes is also called a diabetes mellitus. It depends upon how your body turns food into energy. When you eat carbohydrates, your body turns them into glucose and sends them into the bloodstream. At that time, beta cells in your pancreas release the hormone called insulin, which helps to move glucose from the blood to your body cells and further use it for energy. If you have diabetes, then there is a problem related to the binding of insulin with glucose. This results in too much of glucose stays in your blood and leads to high blood sugar. It is also called hyperglycemia. Basically, diabetes are four types. They are gestational diabetes, pre-diabetes, type 1 diabetes and type 2 diabetes. The most important thing is 80 to 90% of people are suffering with type 2 diabetes. And what is gestational diabetes? Gestational diabetes is a transient form of disease and mostly seen in only pregnant women, and it will reduce after baby birth. Gestational diabetes can be managed by following a healthy diet and taking medicines at the correct time. Pre-diabetes. Pre-diabetes occurs when your blood sugar is higher than it should be, but not that much high to diagnose it as diabetes. Many people in the United States have it, but most of them don't know about this. After some period of time, it leads to type 2 diabetes and various types of diseases related to the heart and other parts of your body. Pre-diabetes can be controlled by exercising and losing excess amount of weight of your body. Type 1 diabetes. In type 1 diabetes, beta cells of your pancreas that releases insulin hormone is already destroyed by the immune system. It occurs by birth. The reason for this remains unclear. So it releases less insulin and binds with less glucose, and more glucose stays in the blood. Type 1 diabetes can be managed with insulin injections or insulin pumps. Here, type 2 diabetes. In type 2 diabetes, the beta cells of the pancreas produces enough insulin, but sometimes it goes wrong. The cells are not responsive to insulin and not ready to bind with glucose. Intake of high carbs increases the glucose level in the blood. In this, the pancreas releases the insulin, but it is not enough for the glucose to bind. So the glucose stays in the blood. It leads to high blood sugar, and high blood sugar leads to type 2 diabetes. In this, lifestyle plays an important role in type 2 diabetes. Reasons for the type 2 diabetes are obesity, inactive lifestyle, unhealthy diet plan. The symptoms of type 2 diabetes appear gradually and start after the age of 30. We have already discussed about this, like 80 to 90% of diabetic patients are suffering from type 2 diabetes. And type 2 diabetes can be controlled by intake of a low carb diet. It is a blood sugar level chart. If we measure blood sugar levels in a milligrams per deciliter, if a person having blood sugar levels like 70 to 99 during the fasting time, and after 2 hours of meal, if it will be less than 140, it will be considered as a normal. If the blood sugar levels are 100 to 125 during the fasting times, and after the 2 hours of meal, if it will be 140 to 199, it will be considered as a pre-diabetes. If the blood sugar levels more than 126 during the fasting times, and after 2 hours of meal, if it will be more than 200, it will be considered as a type 2 diabetes. If we measure blood sugar levels in millimole per liter, if a person having blood sugar levels in during the fasting time like 4 to 6 millimoles per liter, and after 2 hours of meal, if it will be less than 7.8, it will be considered as a normal. If a person having blood sugar levels like 6.1 to 6.9, and after the 2 hours of meal, if it will be 7.8 to 11 millimoles per liter, it will be considered as a pre-diabetes. If the person having blood sugar levels more than 7 during the fasting times, and after 2 hours of meal, if it will be more than 11.1 millimoles per liter, it will be considered as a type 2 diabetes. These are the major symptoms of diabetes. Frequently need to urinate, increased thirst, headaches, blurred vision, tiredness, hunger, the trouble with thinking and concentrating. These are the must follow tips. Take a food and tablets at a correct time. In your diet must include 3 meals and some healthy snacks. For 2 to 3 hours, eat something healthy. Don't skip meals and don't take extra foods. Avoid oil foods. Do workouts for 30 to 45 minutes daily. No fasting and no alcohol. If some persons are not able to do workouts like above 50 to 60 years of age, you can just go for the box for 30 to 45 minutes daily. It will be good for you. Thank you for watching this video, guys. If you like this video, like, share, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to get notified with our videos. Please comment below if you want any videos related to health, so that I can make videos for you. Thank you, guys.